Okay, here we go. You're looking at a ship. That thing right there that is sitting there is in fact a ship. There's way more see this? You see the blinking? You see the blinking? That's not a normal. Yeah, that's not a normal helicopter. Those are most definitely ships. Oh my God. I do have an idea. I do have an idea that these ships right there. Yeah, these ships they're I do believe that they're coming out of the sun. And there is definitely going to be some type of galactic realm war. That's what's telling me. Okay, I have great intuition, and we are seeing ships. We are seeing ships everywhere in the sky. I do believe there is about to be a preparedness for war. That may be speculation, but it's shown because why are we seeing these why are we seeing these ships all those flashing dots you're seeing are in fact ships. All the flashing dots are ships. I do have an idea about what is about to happen.